Benvenuti nel canale Outdoor Chef. Oggi prepariamo per voi un delizioso baklava turco freddo al cioccolato. Iniziamo. 4 cups sugar. We added 2 cups of water. Added 2 cups of milk. 2 cups in sherbet. We add milk. We added a glass, we add another glass. Now we let it cool. Our walnuts 250 grams melted butter. We have ready-made baklava filo here. Let's start as you see. Friends, according to the size of your tray. You can cut more of your dough. I cut it as you can see. I will use it inside. As you can see, we started laying our donuts. Between the layers, with the help of a brush, we apply butter like this. You can drive if you want. If you want, you can sprinkle it like I did. Then we continue to lay filo. We laid half of our filo. Now we are laying the walnut layer. Don't forget to subscribe to our Outdoor Chef channel. Like the video and let us know where you're watching from in the comments. We laid our walnuts. We are now starting to lay the top layer. You can use oil on each layer again. Swells more beautiful. Friends, we cut our cold baklava, as you can see. You can cut it like this. Kachich. Friends, as you can see, we sliced our baklava square. Now we give it to the oven at 160–170 degrees. I will close one greasy paper so that it does not burn quickly. Friends, we took our baklava out of the oven. Now we give our milk sherbet. By the way, we cooled our sherbet. Our baklava is hot like this. If you've watched this far on our Outdoor Chef channel, I'd love a like. It will be bro. Never mind. Friends, as you can see, on our cold baklava, we spread cocoa evenly everywhere and then on it. We will add root. We put plenty of cocoa. Friends, with the help of a grater. 1 chocolate you keep in the refrigerator. By grating it like this. Thank you for watching our baklava recipe. See you in the next recipe.